I'm going out to B3 to meet our clients for a meeting today. So right now I'm here at Omote Sando station in Tokyo. Look at that Louis Vuitton. Ganda, no? I am going to exit B3. And it's a little bit windy here sa ilalim. This is the subway. So looks like ang Louis Vuitton is all over. Look at that. All Louis Vuitton. So ang ganda. This is Enrique once again, and today is a meeting day, but I decided to record this for my vlog. So please stay with me as I'm going to show you where I'm going later for the meeting, and just stay put. This is the Omote Sando exit. I'm going out of B3 because I'm gonna meet my client at the Zara Homes. Ang ganda ng mga mga displays. So this is B3 exit. Paakyat to ng B3 exit, makikita kami sa Zara. Another small escalator. Nandito na ako. Oh, and another small one. Oh my gosh. I'm heading to the place where we're going to meet. Ay, naglikula ako ng konti. Ayan o. Ditong meeting place namin. Ay, ito na. Ayan. Zara Home.
Zara Home.
Ayan. Ay.
Tumakas ako.
Nagkita na kami pero hindi ko siya makuhaan kasi for security purposes. Napakaganda ng place na pinuntahan namin sa Cicada. Tingnan mo. Yan. It's too rustic.
Bakit ganyan, Tay?
Nice.
Nag-update ng picture.
So this is the place where we're having the meeting, the lunch meeting today. It's called Cicada, and look at this. It's so rustic. It's so nice. So gusto kong ambiance. Let's check on the food later. So for the appetizer, we have the flatbread and the carrot cumin dip. So nice, ha? Ang ganda. Look at the presentation. The flatbread, and then let's put this
may lasang curry.
this one.
Parang yung kinain natin na house.
Probably roll it. Ayan. Oh, I love the flatbread.
Masarap yung flatbread.
Yeah.
Malasa.
Oh, and for the salad, it's spinach, cheese, and what's this? Bacon salad. It's really nice. Is this a Mediterranean
With
restaurant?
chestnuts. Yes, I think
Oh,
so.
no, Miss Mediterranean restaurant. So, ayan, ang sarap. Look at the details. Kakainin ko yan without the meat. Hala, ang salad namin, ang sarap. Diyos ko, Lord. Oh my God, another sinful day. Pero hindi. Try ko mong best ko na maging okay.
Sarap ito.
Kain.
Sarap.
The salad is good. Merong goat's meat. Yun. Sarap ng dressing. Ang dahon fresh from the fields yata ito. Tapos may mga nuts. Ayan o.
Wala ka pa na yung result ng taste test ng anong
Nice. So nice.
also.
Diyos ko, nabaliw ako sa bread na yan, na flat bread na yun. Tanong ako, tapos sabi ng waiter, do you need them? Kaya yung sagot ko, please, 2 more. O diba? Parang ganun lang. I will show you the food that I ordered. So this is what I ordered. It's salmon with mussels. So, ayan o. It's nice. This is a healthier kind of food. Masarap ito.
Sa amin, lahat yun, part-time lang.
In the midst of the meeting, in the midst of the lunch,
Ang tatlo yung full time.
this is it.
Pero nagbibigay kayo, you have like,
salmon.
anong curriculum ang nyo, based dito sa Japan education?
Humingi na ang business ngayon. So, meaning,
Nilagyan ko ng couscous. Humingi ako para mahigop ko yung soup. Couscous is a very low carb na food. Ayan o, nakikita nyo may natira pa isang flat bread at saka konting, what is this? Dip. This is the curry dip na may cumin. It's so like curry. No, this is the carrot dip na parang may curry taste siya because of the cumin. May natira. This is what we call piece of shame. Ang waiter na nagsiserve sa amin parang sanggol. Grabe siya. Ang liit-liit niya. So young. So, ewan ko kung saan. Andun siya sa likod. O, yun, nakikita niyo. Oh. Ang liit niya. Parang siyang morinita. Ganun. Ayan, magti 360 degrees. Ako, tingnan niyo naman kung sinong kasama ko. Ayan. Ayun. Apat kami. And this is a real meeting, hindi ito yung chika-chika lang. Okay? Of course, nag-business meeting kami, but I decided to make a vlog because I wanted to share what we're eating. But this is really a business meeting, so all birds in one shot. Dahil na may mga edad na kami, nagingi kami ng tinatawag na blanket. Imagine nyo. Kaloka. It's like, yeah, bumalik ang coldness ngayon dito sa Tokyo. This is gonna be 1 week of a little bit cool temperature. Na kung sa bagay, sana hindi na, anong tawag nito, sana. Pero ayan,
Where did you learn
ganda.
English? Where did you study your English? Where?
Kinuhaan kami ng photo nga naka-blanket ang matanda. Ayun, so... Isn't it great? Alam nyo, guys, nagkirig-kirig nung ako na sabi ko gano'n. Tapos namayang konti, dumating na siya na, do you need a blanket? Kaya sabi ko, oh yeah. Oh, diba? Ayun din siya, nagsabi, oh yeah. It's dessert time. Look at the 4 desserts that we ordered. Ayan, merong baklava with vanilla. That's a pistachio creme brulee. 70% chocolate with sorbet. And I don't know. This is the terrine. Chocolate terrine.
Minimal terrine.
Minimal. All not good for my health, but we'll try a little of it.
ganun matamis.
Dito na rin lang din ako.
Kainin yung yung iba.
Yung sa huwag mo na ka lang kumain ng sugar.
Ay, pero kasi masarap siya eh.
Ganyan ko siya.
Ito yun siya, ha?
Alam mo ba masarap ang chocolate at saka pistachio pagsama?
Yan. Meron siyang pistachio and then caramel.
Ay, hindi
Caramelized sugar. Ayun.
Ano to eh? Philo paste.
Hmm.
Ang dami niyang nuts.
Oh my God.
Grabe.
Sad ako about sa mga dessert kasi all sweet and talagang masarap. Nakakaano siya, nakaka-hot flash.
Nakakakilig.
Nagka-hot flashes ako. So, titikman ko lang po little of everything. And then, sila na lang mag-ubos. This is the chocolate rin.
Saan?
Kuya.
Diba?
Try nyo to. Masarap siya. Puro nuts, tsaka honey.
I'll try
Tsaka,
a little bit of the baklava.
Kuha tayo ng maharap.
This is the baklava.
bakit sobrang dami nag-order na dessert? Sana
Oh my God, I
dalawa
love
lang.
it.
Ang sarap,
Required
no?
ba na
Masarap siya,
mag-order?
nuts. Hindi siya ganun katamis eh.
Tikman natin. Akala ko sa may liit lang.
Ako din. I-ano natin ganyan na lang.
Okay.
Nuts siya.
Ngita yung knife.
I'm trying the chocolate sorbet.
So, Queen,
Alam niyong pangalan.
can I get a knife? Knife. Just one.
Bakit hindi lang binablog mo?
70% chocolate.
Pero ko kinaya yung pagkalanding.
Parang nagtawag lang ng jowa. Diba?
May sweet. Ang bilis ni Kuya.
But I'm so afraid. I'm so afraid it's all good.
Hindi siya ba?
Panalo sa dessert.
Yeah.
Sa apat na desserts na in-order namin, ang pinakapanalos ang baklava. Baklang-bakla ang lasa. Iba siya.
Saan si Bakla?
It's
Ito?
nuts
Ayan,
rolled with phyllo paper.
Bagong ano mo?
And it's
Idea mo.
really something.
Grabe, iba.
Hindi siya masyadong sweet. Kaya kumain
Ibang
ako.
baklava niya na.
So, we're done with the meeting, we're done with the lunch, and this is really such a nice place. The food is great, it's like Mediterranean, and then the dessert is so good, everything is good. I mean, I'm so satisfied. Ang dessert, I wanted to eat more, pero diabetic ako kaya I had to really stop it, and I just took my coffee. And with this, again, I would like to thank you for being with me for this lunch. And I am at the Cicada. It's called Cicada. In Tagalog, it's Kuliglig. And it's a nice place. Look at this one. Ito yung alfresco. Yan. May little pond siya. It's on the alfresco thing. Andun din yung ibang tao. But we were not able to make a reservation. That's why hindi kami nakapasok sa loob. The place is called Cicada. It's Kuliglig in Tagalog. And it's a very nice place. It's cozy, it's too rustic, everything. And with this, I would like to thank you very much for being with me again this lunch meeting. I hope you enjoyed the little things that we did and I did today. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And also click the bell sign for notifications. So you will be informed. Thank you once again. I hope to see you again next time in my next coming Going Arounds vlog. Okay? Bye. And now we're leaving. Tapos ng meeting. Ano sila sa likod. And for those who likes to share this video, you can share it. So they will know what's in here. And then thank you once again. I hope to see you again next time in my next vlog. Goodbye.